Hello, everyone. Hey, friends, it's Teacher Casey here, and today I'm showing you an amazing free tool that every crafter, designer, small business owner, and creative needs to know about. So, I've been talking a lot about Creative Fabrica. I've found some amazing things on that site, and I just wanted to share it with you. Creative Fabrica has launched the first ever AI powered font generator that lets you create your own custom fonts. And the best part, it's free to use until March 2025. So you'll want to get started on that right away. So whether you're making logos, crafts, printables, or branding materials, this tool is a game changer. So let's check it out. So you're going to use my link if you can, and you'll come to this page here. So this is what it looks like, super cool. You go to create a design, and I'm already logged in, and I am an all access pass member. So for me, I have unlimited that I can do. But from what I understand, if you are on the free Creative Fabrica, you do need a free account. If you don't have one, links below. I do not earn money, but they keep track of how many people I send to the site. So again, if you don't mind using my link, that'd be great. However you get there is fine though. It is worth a free account to check out. They have tons and tons of freebies. You will get, I believe, 5,000 credits or coins, and it'll show up in the corner up here. And basically you can make the fonts for free, and then you download using your credits. And like I said, with the free account, I believe you get 5,000 coins. So let me know, check it out. As I said, I already have an account, so for me, it's not going to help any. So I'm not really going to show you how it works today. That's going to be in hopefully an upcoming video, but I do want to give you a little bit of information about it so that you're ready to jump right in and use it. So this tool is super beginner friendly, but it's also powerful enough for professionals. So if you do any of the following projects, you're going to love this. Crafters make one-of-a-kind fonts for your DIY projects, home decor, personalized gifts, and greeting cards. If you're a designer, designers may need a unique font for logos, branding, or print materials. This is for you too. Creatives and artists enhance illustrations, animations, and digital art with your own custom typeface. Small business owners, keep your brand identity consistent across all your platforms. Marketers and agencies stand out with custom campaign fonts and event branding. And the best part, every font you create comes with a personal and commercial use license. Super cool. I love Creative Fabrica. I use that commercial license a lot. So how it all works, easy font creation in just minutes. So this tool is so easy to use. Here's how quick little, I'm not going to give a demonstration. I'm just going to talk to you through the main things, but create and download your own fonts in just a few steps. So one, you're going to open the font generator on a Creative Fabrica, like I just showed you how easy it is. Two, customize each glyph to match your style. This means you can tweak individual letters for the perfect look. Number three, download and install your font on Mac or Windows, ready to use in any project. And four, use it directly in Creative Fabrica Studio Canvas for seamless designing. That's it. In just a few clicks, you can have your own unique installable font for any project. All right, so why should you try this, and why should you try this today? You need to try it right now because it's the first ever AI-powered font generator. No complicated software is needed. 100% free until March 2025. No cost, no catch. Instantly install and use. Works on Mac and Windows. Personal and commercial use included. Use in all projects or sell your designs. This is an absolute game changer for anyone who works with fonts. I don't want you to miss out. Again, you do need the free Creative Fabrica account. No big deal, it's free. It is in beta testing right now, so it is, like I said, free until March, but it is in beta testing. So, are you ready to try it? You're going to want to click below. It's a must-have tool for teachers, crafters, business owners, and creatives. There's a link in the description box to start designing your own fonts for free. And let me know in the comments, like, what kind of font would you create first? Bold, script, fun, So I can't wait to hear your ideas. I want to know below. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for more amazing teacher-friendly tools, homeschool resources, and creative hacks. And I will see you all in the next video, everybody. Have an amazing day, and we'll chat with you soon. Goodbye.